Humanity likes to believe it is rational, moral, and constantly improving. Facts about modern society often focus on progress and rational thinking, yet psychology facts and research on human behavior reveal a very different reality. Modern society is shaped by the human brain, decision-making, and social behavior in ways we rarely question. These 7 insights explain human behavior and lead directly into the facts behind it. Number 1. Fact. More people, more loneliness. Humans are more connected than ever, yet loneliness is rising globally. A large meta-analysis published in American Psychologist found that chronic loneliness increases mortality risk by about 26%. Surveys across the US, Europe, and Asia show that over 1/3 of adults report feeling lonely frequently, despite constant digital interaction. The human brain evolved for small social groups, not continuous online exposure. This emotional mismatch quietly reshapes how societies behave. Number 2. Fact. Civilization grew through violence. Archaeological and historical research shows that nearly all early states expanded through warfare. Studies in Nature Human Behavior indicate that organized violence increased sharply with population density, not morality. Empires didn't spread because they were right, but because they were stronger. When resources feel scarce, cooperation collapses. This survival logic still influences modern geopolitics. Number 3. Fact. Morality is flexible. Behavioral experiments published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology show that people consistently adjust moral judgments when personal benefit is involved. The same action is judged differently depending on whether the observer gains or loses. The brain prioritizes self-preservation and status. This explains how entire societies normalize contradictions. Number 4. Fact. Humans react too late. From climate change to health crises, research in science shows that humans systematically discount future risks. Over 90% of climate scientists agree on human-driven warming, yet global emissions continue rising. The brain treats delayed danger as unreal. By the time action feels urgent, damage is already locked in. Number 5. Fact. History repeats by design. Political psychologists have shown that each generation believes it is more informed than the last. Data from conflict studies shows repeating cycles of polarization roughly every 70 to 90 years. We recognize patterns only in hindsight. Confidence often blinds us to repetition. Number 6. Fact. Humans adapt to almost anything. Neuroscience research confirms that humans rapidly normalize stress, inequality, and instability. Cortisol studies show that long-term exposure rewires baseline perception, making abnormal conditions feel normal. Adaptation ensures survival, but also tolerance. Not all adaptation is progress. Number 7. Fact. Attention beats truth. A large MIT study analyzing over 126,000 news stories found that false information spreads 6 times faster than factual content. Emotional intensity, not accuracy, predicts virality. The brain reacts faster to emotion than logic. This single fact explains modern media, politics, and outrage culture. Understanding humanity isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Once you recognize these patterns, decision-making becomes clearer and society easier to understand. Which of these facts do you think will shape modern society the most in the future? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. If you want to explore more surprising facts about psychology, human behavior, and modern society, take a look at our other videos. Small changes today, a smarter you tomorrow.